guys, sorry, I had to tilt it down a little bit. This is part 2. Wait, I'm making a YouTube video. Sorry, my mom wanted me. But yeah, this is part 2, making a mini fridge. Let's get started. So as you can probably tell, wait, where'd it go? Got the tape up here for the door. Put it right there.
What was that you just said to her?
Kristen, I'm making a YouTube video. I said, give me a second. I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh, and it couldn't wait? It's a shame you've never actually asked me to help you edit anything.
Oh my
I could edit.
How do you edit?
You would need me to guide you through it step by step.
Okay, give me a second.
But
Alright.
I think you should help Mom first.
I will in a second. The video's already flipping started. Sorry about that. Brothers these days. Can't do anything with them. Alright, so let's go. I'll go get my drink real quick. I might have to talk to my mom real quick. But I'll be right there. Wait, where did I even put the drink? I'll find it. Alright, I am back. And here's my Plapple flavored, berry flavored water. Now I'm going to stick it in here. As you can see, it's like perfect sized to go in here. So I just deattach the tape from one of them. Step it aside. Turn the fan on. This is upside down. Okay, the fan's going. Gonna set my drink in there. My drink is perfect sized. Gonna set near the fan. And then there we go. And I'll make a part 3 of what it looks like in there. So yes, that is how you make a real working mini fan with only cardboard, tape, and a little tiny fan. That's how you make a mini fridge. Like, subscribe, and all you haters, suck you. I'm joking. Please subscribe. Even if you guys are haters, please watch. Okay? Please watch this. If it's super cool, don't be afraid to subscribe, because I promise I'm not going to come to your house, track you down, and be like, time to die. That's not me. So don't be afraid to subscribe. Leave comments. Tell me what you want me to do next. If it's a really bad dare though, you can even give me dares. It's a really bad dare though. I'm not gonna do it. I'm sorry, but I'm not a really bad dare person. But yeah, if you want to see really bad dare people, watch More J Stu, Lucas and Marcus, the Joe Bray brothers. Lucas and Marcus are pretty much, and Joe Bray brothers are pretty much the same channel, but they're still really good. You guys should watch them. And then if you want to learn about gymnastics and stuff, they do some dares a little bit. Watch them. Gymnastics 2. Cheernastics 2. Sorry. But yeah, enjoy. Bye.